okay, okay. Yeah.
I'm so excited today. My bed and my bed frame is here. Nice. It's golden. Thank God they wrap, because I don't want to scratch my floor. Girl. So far, this is how it's looking. It looks like so far I picked the most complicated bed there is. Why? I don't know. And looks like the final two. Ugh. Sorry, that wasn't the final two. Looks like there's one. So far, on my line, I picked the most complicated bed. That's how it's looking so far. What did I get myself into? What I was doing the whole time, taking out these and all of this. So far, I got the laid out and how it's supposed to be in the middle. Got all that stuff. I still got a plastic on because I don't want to scratch my hardwood floors. And about to get ready to go to put this together. This is where our Lurkers are inside. Open this. Give me 1 second. So these are the spaces in between to put on these, the long skinny poles that go across. Spacers that go across look like this, and this is to snap on here. It adds reinforcement. And got also these to go across. Additional reinforcement. And there you go. Like from one to the other and snap on. Add reinforcement and they just snap shut. This is reinforcement. The same thing I just did, but these are for the bottom part. This is a whole bag of reinforcement, so literally it's gonna go across all the skinny poles. I love this. Look how beautiful. It's an easy kit that comes with 1.5 half inches, 1x2s, 2x3s, 1/4 inch, 1/3 of an inch, and a little wrench and bolts. So organized and neat. I love that. This is for the middle. So when you put the bars across, this helps hold it up in the middle of the bed, and you just screw it, and it is reinforcement for the middle of the bed. Another reinforcer for the middle of the bed. So 2. And finally, so each bracket goes at the corner with each bedpost because this is a canopy bed, so that's all that's inside the part box. And then this little box, it goes at the 4 corners. Then one goes in this edge, and then one goes in this edge. Yeah. When I put anything together, I like to lay my things out and get a picture of it That's why I laid it all out on the floor and put the posts where the posts need to be. And I laid it all out so I can get a better idea and I could see the vision of putting it together, which is pretty easy. So now I'm gonna get to putting things together and I'll be back with y'all. Peace. And voila, the directions are right here. So let me open them because yes, I had a canopy bed before, but it was a different version and a different company, but so I kind of already know the layout, but basically this is how it's gonna look in the end. Beautiful, beautiful. Canopies are for queens. It's a queen size bed. Canopies are for kings too. So yeah, the directions. Wish me luck. And here I go. So even though I know everything is pretty self-explanatory because I had a canopy before, just not this one. So even though I lay out everything, I still go over the directions. So it's basically, I laid it out. So it says, insert this and use 3 and 5 to put it in. So A, T, and I. And everything is labeled on here as well. And here you see it has 3, 5, 8. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'll be back. Okay, so this is step 2. I and T, 2 I's, 1 T, A and B, screws 5 and 3, screws 5 and 3, A and B, I and T, and this is how it looks. So I'm gonna keep on continuing. All right, so this is step 3. T, 1 T goes into 2 C's and 4, number 5 screws. And it looks like this. Give you an update, coming back. All right, next step is step 4. You get G going across and horizontal and vertical GH, and you put G on top of H with a number 4 screw, and you need 4 of those because there's 4 corners. So I just laid it on top. That's G and H. I just laid the other stuff in the middle and the supplies in the middle. Quick little tip, when you're putting something together as far as furniture, it helps to like put your pieces and then lay them out. And then I usually circulate to lay trash on one side of the room because it's just easier to clean up garbages that way. So yeah, I'll come back. All right, so the next step says put A and B into C and G. Basically make it into a 4 post, and that's what I did, 4 posts. And I'm gonna put the bar across and those. So this is step 5, make it into 4 and put 8 number 5s, page 11. So for the next step, it says step 7, put the bar across of X. So put X into H, and there's L1 and L2. Basically, the bar across, you need a screw, and you need the bolt, and you need the wrench. So it says put 2 number 2 screws and 2 number 6 bolts. This says number 2. This says number 6. So if you follow the instructions, it's pretty easy because that says number 2, that says number 6, and in my hand, you can't see it, is the wrench. So if you follow along in that way, it's kind of pretty easy. So yeah, I'll be back. So step 7 is complete. Basically putting the bar across, putting X across, and then at the bottom there's L1 and L2, but I'm gonna do L1 and L2 momentarily. So step 8 is putting S and M together. So basically, the pole that goes across the canopy, put the brackets inside and screw it down. That's what I did. 1, 2. Step 8. And I use 8 number 4 screws. Alright, coming to the ending stretch, step 9, put S into M, interlock it with K, use 8 number 4 screws, page 15, step 9. Basically, make the canopy, and my bedroom is enough, it's big enough to fit 3 of these queen size beds, but I wanted to have room because you'll see when I'm done decorating how I decorate. I like to have room. I don't like to have like a room where furniture is like packed inside. So anyway, yeah, I'm gonna put this up top of there. Yes, honey, we almost done. So basically, I'm sitting on the floor because these long poles have to go across inside of here. These have to go inside of here. Then, so basically it says step 12, interlock 01, which is one of these poles, insert it into G, which is that, and as illustrated number 2, slide it back and lock it in with a Y, which these are Ys. So when I'm done, you'll see all of this area filled up. Be back. Voila, step 12 complete. This is how it's looking and what it's looking like. Now, step 13, putting the fasteners in between. I'm placing down the W's. WQ, QW, stamp fasten 1, 2. On every one of these. There are WQs. Where should I put it? In the middle. It says to do it right here. So it's that and that. I snap those on. And then this side. It keeps it from moving. So I gotta do all of that with all of this and all of this and all of this. Tedious. But that is step 13. To do it all there. I'm gonna put those down in the center to secure the bed after, because I gotta clean up the floors and then I gotta put a rug under, so I'll do that after. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna be snapping away. Yay! This is the final product of how it looks. This is the canopy bed. These are the reinforcers that I was doing. This is how it's looking. I'm gonna use soap and water to circ those off because this is gold paint and I don't want to scratch it. This is how the canopy is looking. I'm so happy. And I'm so happy I have like, literally I could fit like 2 more of these inside. So, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna put other stuff. So I'm so excited. Now I'm gonna go put the bed on top. I'm so excited, yay. I ordered a bed in a box because like, that's like the modern thing to do and it's like more sustainably and economical and everything. So this is my first bed in the box, so I'm gonna see what that's gonna be like. So I'm gonna take it out, put it on the bed. I'm gonna record it like blowing up, okay? So this is my first bed in a box. Now I'm gonna unravel it to see it like expand. It's well packaged, I'll tell you that. Girl, this thing is bloated and it's pumping up real quick, girl. bed in a box. It's something new. I never did handle that before. This was, it scared me a little bit how it rolled out. Now, I'm gonna lift this out. That's the sound it's making. It wants to pop out and open. And this bed, it says made in Bulgaria. So, this is my first time. The bed in the box. I have friends from Bulgaria that popping up more. This, it's pumping up more. It's 10-inch, but I'm gonna see how high it goes, because if it doesn't go that high, I'm gonna get a topper that's 3 inches, so it'll be like, say, this high. But it says let it puff up for 24 hours before getting on it, so I'm so happy. This is the canopy. This is the economically sustainable bed in the box. And I'm just gonna let it do its thing, unfold. This is the aftermath of the garbages. The garbages, the box that the bed came in, its memory foam, and went from this in the bedroom to the sofa and the living room. Comes in 2 parts. Here we go.